Good morning, class. As yesterday we have started with chapter 1 from our course book, with the explanation of chapter 1 from our course book, that is Nani's walk to the park. Now today we are going to continue with the explanation of that chapter only. As yesterday we have read the story till here, that when Nani and Winky were going on the way to the park, Nani makes Winky saw the lane of treasures first of all, and then in the lane of treasures they have saw, Nani told Winky that each and everything we will get in this market. After this, Nani and Winky went to the lane of beauty, where they find a sari in which Winky saw the picture of her mother's kurta, and the third, the Nani and Winky went to the lane of happiness. In the lane of happiness, Nani stopped and called out all the dogs and the cats and put a bowl in front of them and poured milk to all the dogs and the cats present there. When all the dogs and the cats got the milk, they started to lick and they finished and they clean up all the bowls of the milk. We have read the story till here. Now let us continue with the story today also. So open to page number 7 in your course books. Now let us begin with the story. Now, as yesterday we have ended the story on page number 7, when Nani gives milk to all the dogs and cats in their bowls, and until and unless the dogs and the cat lick all the milk from that bowl and makes the bowl clean, they both cease to the dogs and cat. We have ended the story till here. Now today we are going to continue with the story on page number 7 only. Winky does not want to leave the lane. Winky does not want to leave the lane of happiness. But Nani reminds him that they are on their way to the park. Winky didn't want to go from the lane of happiness, but Nani reminds him. Nani makes him remember that they are on the way to the park. That means they are going to the way of the park. Next, Nani and Winky walk through the lane behind the school. After this, Nani and Winky walk through the lane behind the school. Nani and Winky, both of them walks behind the school. That means they started walking to the school, behind the school. The children are playing Langdi, Langodi and Sakili. Langdi is a type of a sports game. The children are playing Langdi, Langodi and Sakili in this lane of noise. Nani has named it as lane of noise. Now here we get the fourth lane, and we have first of all get the lane of treasure, lane of beauty, lane of happiness, and now we have got the lane of noise. Ask Winky. No, it's the lane of mischief. Mischief means misbehavior type, because children are misbehaving in this lane of noise. It reminds me of you, and it reminds me of you, Winky, and your friends. Nani says that when I see this lane of noise, it reminds me about you and your friends, that how you all misbehave. Laughs Nani, and Nani laughs on this. Have you named all the lanes in the city? Asked Winky. Winky says to Nani that wherever you go, have you named each and every lane? Did you know Langdi, Langodi and Sakali are traditional games of India? They are the traditional games. In Sakali, a chosen player has to catch the other players. In this, one will catch the other players. The person caught hold hands with one who caught. The person caught holds of another hand. Whenever he or she touches one, he will catch the hold of that hand. him to form a chain, and after one and one they will form a chain. Together they run after the other players to catch them till all the players are caught, and they will form a chain until and unless the single one is left, and they will make a chain to catch that single one also. That is Langdi, Langodi and Sakili. Now let us move to page number 8. Now, not all, smiles Nani. Not all. I have not named all the lanes, all the roads, or only the ones that are important to me. I have only named those lanes that are important to me only. The park is not far from now. The park is not far from here now. But you will have to be a little patient. You have to be a little calm. I want to stop at the lane of friendship, says Nani. And I will stop at my lane of friendship. In the lane of friendship, Nani's visit her dear friend. In the lane of friendship, Nani visit her dear friend. They were girls together and they have grown older together. Nani's friends were all girls and they have grown older together, means they were of same age. They whisper and giggle. They speak very softly and they laugh lightly. They laugh slowly. Then Nani gives her friend a hug and says, "It's time to leave." When Nani was leaving that lane, Nani gives a hug to her friends and says that it's time to leave from here. We will now walk through the lanes of dreams. And now we will walk through the lanes of dreams where we have dreamt. The lane of dreams has more books than Winky's school library. The lane of dreams has more books than your school library. Nani says to Winky, library is a place in a school where many books are being placed. The bookseller sells old books for every little money. It's in this lane of dreams, the booksellers sell old books for every piece of money and buys the ones that people have finished reading, and they buys the ones that people have finished reading. Nani chooses a book and says, "Let's go, we're almost at the park now." Nani chooses the books and says, Let's go, we are almost at the park now. We are almost means just a bit far away from the park, and they walk through the lane of magic. And now they are walking through the lane of magic. Winky looks up at the big trees that offer shades and feels the cool breeze. Winky looks up at the big trees and feels the cool breeze there. Cool type of air there. Nani shows him the Gulmohar, Atalmas and Charul trees. Nani shows the 3 trees to a Gulmohar tree, a Malchas tree and the Charul trees. At last they reach at the park, and after seeing the trees they reach to the park. It has been a long time since they left home, and it has been a long time since they have left their home. Winky looks around and thinks of all the people and places he has seen that morning. Winky looks around all the people and the places which they have seen in the morning today. "I like your lanes, Nani." And Winky says to Nani that, "I like your lanes." He says, "May I come with you next week too?" Winky says, "And I wish to come with you next week too. I want to come with you to the park next week also." Edited extract from Nani's Walk to the Park by Deepika Balsevar. It is the edited extract written by Deepika Balsevar. I hope you all have understood this story. Nani's Walk to the Park, and understood all the lanes which Nani have explained to Winky. Homework for you all is you have to read this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask and you have to write the word meanings in your notebooks. Thank you.